0 marks.
Yeah.
Alright, so, hi Ayush, my name is Alan, and we'd like your help with a survey we're doing for our course, Human-Computer Interaction. Here we have a paper prototype of our service, which is going to be called NUActive, which will help facilitate students in participating in events and activities that other students on campus have created. And you too have the opportunity to create these events. So, before we begin, you have any questions?
No, let's start.
All right, cool. So you'll be doing a series of tasks, 3 in total. Your first one will be, which one is it? Here it is, this one.
You are.
Oh, that's right. Read the task out loud, and as you go along, feel free to voice your opinions and input on what you're doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Basically, as you go about using the app, you have to just say it loud what you are doing.
Okay. You are a NU student new to this interface. You are looking to join a badminton game on Wednesday at Blomquist Gymnasium. You would like to play with other beginner level players and have a spare racket to offer. Okay.
Cool.
Okay, so make a profile, I guess.
You can press it.
You have to click it.
Yeah, make a profile.
Keep in mind, this system is very laggy.
Yeah.
No, it's
it's going to this.
I get it, it's a paper prototype, right?
Single core processor.
Yeah. Okay, so
Yeah.
yeah, I put my name in. I put everything. Yeah, I put in stuff. Choose activity. I'll choose badminton.
Wait. You have to choose space concept.
Okay.
This is a beginner.
Badminton. And then skill level is beginner.
Okay.
Then add. Yeah. Add to that.
Alright.
Okay, so now I'll. Do I want to add an image? No, not now. I'll add that later. Okay, so. Okay, I'll take this, I guess.
Yeah, keep in mind, we are not testing you, but we're testing your interface.
Yeah. So
Which I will-
I'll click the not going button to change it probably. Yeah.
This is a predictive computer.
So I'll say I'm going because I want to play badminton. Okay. Yes. So now what do I do?
Well, if you are done, you can sign out.
But I have a spare racket to offer. How do I let anyone know about that?
Notice that the user has not noticed the scroll feature.
Oh yeah, there's a scroll feature. No, but if this would be a phone, I would definitely notice it.
I guess.
So I'd scroll down. Do I scroll further down? Is there something below?
That's the end.
That's the end, right? Because I see some space.
Yeah, I thought you said he's supposed to mention that he has extracted the description in the discussion.
So where okay,
I mean,
so
actually we
I'll
are missing
probably
that feature, but
I'll
it's
probably
fine.
put it in the description since I don't see any place to offer equipment or something like that. So I'll just put it here.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll say I have a spare racket. That's it. I'm done. I'll sign out.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, go ahead and sign out.
So I'll probably click this. That looks like the menu. Yeah. Sign out.
Yeah. Okay,
Yay.
cool. So what did you think?
Do you have any feedback for the app?
Can I go back to some of the?
Yeah.
So one feedback I would definitely have is over over here. So instead of like not going in a checkbox, you can have a going button over here that you can click to just say that you're going. And if you are maybe, then you can like scroll down the box and click maybe or something. I don't know.
So Facebook does. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
It's great.
Okay.
I like it.
Okay.
So all the computer resets.
Yeah.
And you can get started on your second task.
The task get easier, don't worry.
Yeah.
Oh wait, hold on. Sorry, this is one.
You are a member of NU Tango Dance Club on campus. You have used NUActive in the past. You would like to host a dance workshop on Friday. Okay, in Dance Room 3. Okay, so I already have a username and password, so I'll probably click this, get the keyboard. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. I'll type in the stuff and log in.
Okay. You're too fast.
Okay, yeah. So I would like to host a new event, so I'll click the plus button.
Okay. The app is a bit busy. Like,
Should get a new phone.
Okay, so I'll pull up the keyboard and enter the stuff. On a phone, this would like auto scroll as I fill, so
yeah.
I don't have to scroll. I'll scroll.
So you have to, if possible, go through each, like.
Okay. Oh yeah, because they're different. So event name, yeah, blah blah blah. Then category. So what do I have? I have dance. And then date. Friday, so which Friday? I don't know. Is this Friday? Yeah. This Friday. Done. Location. Dance room 3. Start time 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Done. Yeah, end time. Like put it together, it's like easier for you. 7:30. 7. How do I go to 30 then? That is a problem. So is there text input over here?
Yeah, basically as you click that, it comes here.
So 7 and then like 30 using a number pad. Yeah, 30.
That doesn't work.
What?
There's no keyboard.
You see? Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't have a keyboard.
No.
That's
It's
like bad, because if I want to say 726, how do I say that?
No.
I told you, this new Android is
Okay, we'll keep that in mind.
Yeah, done.
I mean, basically,
Yeah. So you have to scroll down. Yeah. I don't know the other details. I'll probably put a description. Come join me. Have dance with me. Yeah, and then create event. Yeah. Okay, so I guess you have to like sign out every time.
You don't have to, you're good.
Yeah.
yeah.
Alright, cool.
So sign out.
We are done.
What do you think about this one?
Yeah, except the clock thing, everything else is good.
Okay. Anyway, that clock is based on my phone app, so I mean, it's a
Like
standard
on,
one.
on the phone it might work better, but I
Yeah,
don't-
so when you press 6, right, it automatically goes to the other dial.
yeah,
So
like,
first
of
there is
course,
only
of
one
course.
12 to 6.
This would work better on the phone.
Yeah.
I couldn't see that. So.
Any other comments for this task?
No, it's straightforward.
So this is your last task.
This one is quite easy task.
Okay.
Don't forget to read it out loud.
You are a Northwestern University staff member who has used NUActive in the past, who is already logged in. You would like to sign up for a community service opportunity at a local nursing home, Symphony of Evanston, where you will play bridge with the elderly. If I'm already logged in,
Yes.
this seems like what I want, so I'll click this so that I can get. Okay. So I'll change it from not going to going. Yeah, yes. Done.
Yeah.
Let's sign out.
Okay, one
Something.
moment. Where did the options go?
Menu.
We've done this before, I think we're good.
Yeah.
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 So, homepage.
Homepage is lost.
Right. So what was your thoughts on that?
Yeah, it's straightforward, easy,
Okay.
nothing complicated. We're done.
Well, what was your experience like in general?
I found the app to be decently designed. The fonts were large enough that I could read them. The buttons were large enough that I could not misclick something else. That's good. And yes, it's like it's intuitive.
So one thing you pointed out was the going part, right?
Yeah.
You would prefer there's a going button because that's
Yeah.
more intuitive.
Was there anything else other than the clock?
Like instead of a drop down menu, a button would be more intuitive. That's all I think.
Okay, that's great. We would have our app running soon.
You're observing, right? Alright. Thanks,
Okay.
Yush.
Thanks,
Yeah.
Ayush.
So, are we done?
Only one user, right?
To another session of HCI prototyping, where we have all the mistakes we made.
During the big failure.
Okay, wait. So this is the feedback portion of our video. We're going to talk about the things that we heard from our user, among which was the not going button in the event page. So typically he was expecting a button to say going, which he would press, and it should provide all the options therein, as opposed to not going button, which I suppose would be misleading. What else is there? There was the scroll feature, which he mentioned that on a phone it would be more evident that such a feature exists, that the page would afford scrolling. And paper prototype, it wasn't immediately obvious. And let's see what else was there. There was a clock feature. This is reflective of the new Android.
Can show.
Yes, I can show you.
Alright,
This is
show us.
this reflects the Android option of selecting times. So here we usually have the way of selecting hours, just drag it around, it adjusts automatically, and it brings you to the minutes hand, which again is a no-brainer. So this was not evident in the paper prototype, but again, he suggested that this would be evident in the actual implementation. How we implement it, I don't know, but we'll find out. Last one is a minor detail, which another user mentioned, that initially he did not realize that this button would afford bringing you to the next page or afford pressing, because most of the time it is grayed out until all the required fields are filled out, in which time it will afford pressing. So that is one more thing. I guess they would assume that the button belongs at the bottom, as other ones previously were. But we'll figure that out as we flesh it out.
Solution would be to put it down, right?
Yeah, that is one of our options we are considering. So please pass us. We want to pass this course. Thank you.